हेलो माय लवली फूडीज। वेलकम बैक टू सत्यभामी कुकिंग, जहाँ हर रेसिपी में मिलेगा आपको प्यार का स्वाद। टुडे आई एम मेकिंग वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, my absolute love, the one dish that I can never say no to, mango kheer. A good kheer isn't made in hurry. It needs time, it needs care. Patience is the main flavor here. So let's get this mango party started. Take 3 to 4 ripe mangoes, peel them and then puree them into a smooth paste. In a thick bottom pan, pour 2 liters of milk. Let it come to a soft boil. Add cashews, chopped almond, and raisins if your home allows. Mine doesn't. My kids stage a tiny protest against the sight of them. Now let's add the 4 teaspoons of small rice, which has been soaked for almost half an hour. Here I have used the Sona Masuri rice. Keep in mind that we are supposed to use the small rice, not the basmati rice, because the small rice gives the perfect texture to the kheer. Now let it gently simmer on the low heat. Every few seconds, give a soft stir. Now we can see that a creamy layer has formed on the top of the milk. Now just fold it back. This is where the richness and the flavor hides. Now let's add 1 cup of sugar or sweetness as per your taste. Let it boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can see that the milk has reduced to half and the color has changed to the golden yellow orange. This is the sign that the kheer is almost ready. Now let's add a half a teaspoon of elaichi powder and boil it for another 5 minutes. I have cooked the kheer for almost 1.5 hours to get this consistency. As I told you, a good kheer needs time, care, and patience. Kheer is almost done. Now let's switch off the flame. Let's add the magic ingredient, mango pulp. Mix it gently. Just look at that. Oh my god. Oi, oi, oi. Thick, creamy, rich, and the rice has turned into tiny pearls, each one holding sweetness in every bite. Let it cool, serve it chilled with a spoonful of mango love right on the top. And there it is, the taste of summer, mango kheer. Honestly, if you don't try this, you are seriously missing out. So go, make it and taste it and tell me how it made you feel. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. More food, more stories coming your way.